Godfather pasta with the Corleone sauce. Vito Corleone sauce, straight from Sicily. Amazing. I'm gonna make you an offer you can't refuse. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This is gonna be my favorite video of all time. I don't know how many videos I recorded so far, 150, whatever. This is gonna be the favorite video of all time. We're gonna make some Godfather pasta and we're gonna use the Corleone sauce. Only on Parks and Pizza. Let's go. Corleone pasta, straight from Sicily, Italy. We're gonna make some Godfather pasta. We're gonna make some Godfather spaghetti in this video. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be epic. Let's go make some Godfather pasta. So in today's video, we're gonna use Corleone tomato basil pasta sauce. And of course, we're gonna use the best spaghetti on the market, Rayo's homemade spaghetti. We're gonna add some Kerrygold garlic and herb butter and some grated parm. Here's the finished Godfather pasta with the amazing Corleone sauce. This is the best of the best, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. There you go, guys. Godfather pasta with the Corleone sauce. Salute. It's delicious. Amazing sauce. Just fresh. Just tastes fresh, man. Tastes like right out of the garden. It tastes like I just picked my tomatoes right out of the garden. And garlic and basil. I can taste it all. It's amazing. Great sauce. Great sauce. There we go. Gangster spaghetti, man. Ooh, it's good. I've never seen this sauce anywhere. I had to go to this little food market to actually find this sauce. I can't. No commercial store sells this sauce that I know of in Las Vegas anyway. I had to go to a little food market. That's how I found about this sauce. I can't hear myself talk because of the fucking drill in the back. My neighbors are doing something, I don't know what they're doing, tearing their house down, whatever's going on in the back there. I want to tell you a little bit more about the sauce. It says in 1925, Vito Corleone launched the company. Today, the Corleone family traditions continue with all these fine select products. Obviously, the tomato sauce is one of them. It's an amazing tomato sauce. If you guys can order, maybe you can probably order this online. Order it. It's outstanding. Highly recommended. Corleone sauce. This one's tomato basil. 5 out of 5 stars. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you guys in the next video.